Morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are good and stay safe and healthy at your places. As you know, now it's time for English session. So take out your child-centric English perfection toolkit to up to joyful C. And now open page number 25. Yes, in earlier session we read the story Bob has a dog. So let's continue our story. So first of all, you have to read the story. Yes, students, start. Bob has a dog and a big pot. Bob has a dog and a big pot. Bob has a dog and a big pot. Next line. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. Next, the dog is when on the box. The dog is on the box. The dog is on the box. Box के ऊपर है dog, right? The dog is on the box. Now read the next line. The dog bit the fox. The dog bit the fox. The dog bit the fox. डॉग ने क्या किया? फॉक्स को बाइट कर दिया, उसको काट लिया, राइट? द डॉग बिट द फॉक्स. द डॉग बिट द फॉक्स. नेक्स्ट लाइन. Dad, dad got a mop and a rod. Dad got a mop and a rod. Dad got a mop and a rod. Dad क्या लेके आए? पापा क्या लाए? A mop and a rod. Okay. क्या मिला पापा को? A mop and a rod. Right. So dad got a mop and a rod. Right? Dad got a mop and a rod. So, and next two lines we will do tomorrow. So now it's time for writing skills. So take out your English notebook with your pencil and eraser, and today we will do this one. This question: where is the dog? What did the dog do? Okay, where is the dog? कहाँ पे है dog? See, the dog is on the box. कहाँ पे है dog? The dog is on the box. Box के ऊपर, right? The dog is on the box. And next, what did the dog do? और dog ने क्या किया? Bite कर लिया ना fox को. So the dog bit the fox. The dog bit the fox. Okay, take out your pencil with eraser. Let's write question number third. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? Question mark. Then what did What did the dog do? The dog do. Where is the dog? And what did the dog do? Dog कहाँ पे है और उसने क्या किया? So now write the answer. The dog, start with capital letter T H E. The dog is on the box and bite the fox. And bite the fox. Now full stop. Okay, the dog is on the box and bite the fox. Dog box के ऊपर है और उसने fox को काट लिया, right? The dog is on the box and bite the fox. Okay, students? The dog is on the box and bite the fox. Okay, students, so you have to learn these question answers and you have to read the story and you have to send me your regular videos while reading the story and while giving the answers of the questions. So, students, you have to do practice, right? You have to make a habit to reading the story and then while reading, you get your answers from the story. Okay, students. So now today's English session is over and now it's time for Hindi session. So take out your Hindi book. Yes, take out your child-centric Hindi perfection toolkit 2 of 2 joyful C. And now open page number 24. Yes, in earlier session we did this page. So have you done this work? दिए गए चित्रों का शब्दों से मिलान कीजिए. Have you done this work? Very good. Now move to the next page. First of all, circle on today's day. Mention here today's date, month, year. Check out the weather and circle on the weather. Okay, let's do revision of this page, right? So, tell me what is this? किसका चित्र है ये? Yes, यज्ञ. Yagya, right? It's ya, yagya, yagya, right? You have to read this page. य से ज्ञ तक अक्षरों को पढ़िए, okay? य, यज्ञ, य, यज्ञ. Now, what is this? Yes, रस्सी. रस्सी, र, रस्सी, र, रस्सी. Okay? य, यज्ञ, र, रस्सी. Next, ल, लट्टू. लट्टू. Okay? ल, लट्टू. ल, लट्टू. Next, what is this? One. व, वन. व, वन. व, वन. L, lattu, V, one. L, lattu, V, one. Next, what is this? Yes, shalgam. So this is sh, sh, shalgam, sh, shalgam, sh, shalgam. And this one, shatkon, shatkon, sh, shatkon. There is a little bit difference in both of the words. Okay, sh, shalgam, sh, shatkon, sh, shatkon, right? And sapera, sa, sapera, sa, sapera, sa, sapera. And this one, hull, hull, ha, hull, ha, hull. And this one, sh, kshatriya, sh, kshatriya, sh, kshatriya. Tra, trishul, tra, trishul, tra, trishul. Gya, gyani, gya, gyani, gya, gyani. Okay, students? So it's ya, yagya, ra, rasi, la, lattu, va, one, sh, shalgam, sh, shatkon, sa, sapera, ha, hal, sh, kshatriya, tra, trishul, gya, gyani. So in this way you have to recognize these vyanjan and you have to write down in your Hindi notebook also. So take out your Hindi notebook with your pencil and eraser. Let's write. Y, r, l, v, sh, 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 s, h, sh, tr, gy. Okay, students, so you have to do practice to write down in your Hindi notebook. Also, you have to recognize these vyanjan. Okay, students, so it's ya, ra, la, va, sh, sh, sa, ha, sh, tra, gya. Right, students? So you have to do practice to recognize these vyanjan and write down in your Hindi notebook and send me your regular work. Okay, students. So now today's Hindi session is over. And now it's time for writing skill session. So take out your child-centric writing skills of action toolkit, joyful C. And now open page number 32. Yes, in early session we did this page. So have you done this work? Very good. Now move to the next page. Today we will do this page. So first of all, circle on today's day. Mention here today's date, month, year, and check out the weather and circle on the weather. Three letter O words, right? Now you have to read the picture and write, right? So this is a dog, this is a rod. So dog has a rod. Take out your pencil with eraser. First of all, you have to trace over here. Dog has डॉग के पास क्या है रॉड है ना सो डॉग हैज अ रॉड डॉग हैज अ रॉड ओके डॉग हैज अ rod and next see here is a fox here is a mop so it means fox has a mop है ना fox के पास क्या है mop है write down on the lines okay fox has a mop. Fox has a mop, right? And this one, here is a pot, here is a dot. So, pot has a dot. So, right here, a pot has a dot. Pot has a dot. Okay, pot has a dot. Next, here is a log, here is a box. So, right here, log, log has a box, right? Log के पास box है ना? So, log has a box. Log has a box. Now next, here is a cot, here is a top. So, cot has a top. Cot has a top. Cot has a top, right? So here is a dog, here is a top. It means dog has a top, right? Dog has a top. Okay. Now move to the next page. We will do half portion of this page today, right? Okay. So these are three letter U words. U Okay. So see, this is a sun, this is a bun, this is a rug, this is a mug. So you have to trace over here. Sun, sun. bun, bun. Rug, rug. Mug, mug. Okay. Now, right over here. Sun, sun. Bun, bun. Rug, rug. Mug, mug. Again, sun, bun, rug, mug. Okay, students. So in this way, you have to do this work, and rest of the page we will do later, right? And you have to send me your regular work. Okay, students. So now today's writing skill session is over.